New day, new property with Miss Broker Cindy Che. So for today's video guys, we are right here po in one of the model unit and ready for occupancy unit here in Illumina State Subdivision located in Comunal, Davao City. As we enter, ito po yung makikita natin. It has parking lot which can accommodate up to 2 cars. And upon entrance po sa main door, ito yung makikita natin. Super luwang ng kanilang living area. And over here naman po is your kitchen. So they also have this island countertop. Yun. Modular cabinets. And we also have our powder room here. Kaso parang hindi siya powder room, na parang siyang additional na toilet and bath na dito kasi may shower din siya dito. Yan. We also have an exit door here and another door there going outside. And also here po sa ground floor ng ating bahay is we also have this one. A bedroom which is perfect for our elders or kasambahay. Yes. And now let's go upstairs. Uro. So uro po siya. Means gold. Yun. So super nice, no? And we also have our balcony here. It's windy. Hindi talaga siya mainit. Kahit summer ngayon, hindi siya mainit. Now, let's proceed sa ating first na bedroom. So, for our first bedroom, guys, kasha po dito like single or double size na bed. And nothing to worry about cabinets kasi provided na yung cabinets natin. Yan. Okay. And we also have another bedroom here, but still it is identical sa first bedroom. So this is the first bedroom, second bedroom, and here we have our common toilet and bath dito po sa second floor ng ating bahay. Okay. And now let's proceed sa ating master's bedroom, kung saan matutulog ang may-ari ng bahay. Yun. May-ari ng bahay or yung parents. Okay. So, kasya-kasya po dito up to king size na bed. And we also have our own toilet and bath sa ating master's bedroom. Ganyan naman po talaga. Basta mga bahay na may master's bedroom, mostly may sarili po talagang toilet and bath yung master's bedroom. And the good thing about this master's bedroom is may walk-in closet po siya. Sana all. And this one, you can see this is the walk-in closet. It has the cabinets and all. Yun. So, super nice. Now, let's proceed sa ating balcony. So, this balcony can only be accessed kung dito ka po dadaan sa master's bedroom. Ang luwang po ng balcony niya. Actually, parang pwede din siyang gawin dito na another bedroom or storage area if you want. And this is the view. View from the balcony of master's bedroom. Yun. So, if you are interested to get this property here in Illumina State Subdivision, please feel free to contact me. We only have limited lang po talaga yung available na ready for occupancy house and lot here. Actually, yung kulang na lang dito is yung some furnitures tsaka appliances. So if you want this property and this is your dream home, then please feel free to contact me and book a site viewing, a house tour. This is once again your Miss Broker Cindy Che. Thank you.